Good day, ma'am. I'm Villamonte John Gerald, and I will recite the non-commissioned officer and commissioned officer. And I will start with non-commissioned officer. Jail Officer 1, JO1. Jail Officer 2, JO2. Jail Officer 3, JO3. Senior Jail Officer 1, SJO1. Senior Jail Officer 2, SJO2. Senior Jail Officer 3, SJO3. Senior Jail Officer 4, SJO4. And these are the commissioned officer and their insignia. Jail Inspector, 1 Anahaw leave. Jail Senior Inspector, 2 Anahaw leaves. Jail Chief Inspector, 1 Sampaguita. Jail Superintendent, 2 Sampaguita. Jail Senior Superintendent, 3 Sampaguita leaves. Jail Chief Superintendent, 1 star. Jail Director, 2 star. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.